Please subscribe our channel. A bone which is devoid of muscle attachment. Options: calcaneum, talus, navicular, cuboid. Answer: talus. Buck's fascia is related to options: neck, skull, penis, cubital fossa. Correct answer is penis. Brenner's glands are seen in options: jejunum, duodenum, ileum, and cecum. Answer: duodenum. In adults, spinal cord ends at the level of options: L2, L3, lower border of L1, upper border of L5. Answer: lower border of L1. The spinal nerve pairs are 33, 31, 32, 22. Answer: 31 pairs. Esophageal opening in diaphragm is at the level of T8, T10, T12, none of these. Answer: T10. Peyer's patches are seen in options: stomach, small intestine, kidney, liver. Answer: small intestine. Length of spinal cord. Options: 40 cm, 45 cm, 30 cm, and 55 cm. Answer: 45 cm. Largest vein in our body. Options: great saphenous vein, inferior vena cava, femoral vein, none of these. Correct answer is inferior vena cava. Longest vein in our body is great saphenous vein or long saphenous vein. Structures passing through foramen rotuntum. Options: internal carotid artery, maxillary nerve, optic nerve, and all of the above. Correct answer is maxillary nerve. Shortest part of colon. Options: ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid colon. Correct answer is ascending colon. Not a part of brainstem. Options: midbrain, pons, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Answer: cerebellum. Master gland of human body is options: pineal gland, pituitary gland, adrenal gland, thyroid gland. Answer: pituitary gland. Largest cranial nerve. Options: trochlear, trigeminal, facial nerve, vagus nerve. Answer: trigeminal nerve. Length of corpus callosum. Options 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 40 centimeter. Correct answer is 10 centimeter. The first bone to ossify in membrane is options scapula, clavicle, patella, cuboid. Answer clavicle. Highest point of iliac crest L1, L2, L3, L4. Correct answer is L4. Lymph tissues are found in following areas except options lymph nodes, spleen, heart and tonsils. Answer heart. The cell membrane of the muscle fiber is known as sarcolemma, sarcoplasm, myofibrils and none of these. Correct answer is sarcolemma. Knots of Ranvier are found in cell body, axon, dendrites and microglia. Answer axon. First question. It antidotes poisoning with rustox and stinges of insects. Options ammonium mure, ammonium carb, antimonium crudum, antimonium tartaricum. Answer ammonium carb. Anacardium follows and is followed by options ignatia, pulsatilla, platinum, lachesis. Answer platinum. Coffea increases nervous headache. Options arsenicum album, belladonna, argentum nitricum, coffea cruda. Answer argentum nitricum. Should not be given low or repeated often, as bad effects often follows. Option calcarea carb, aurum triphyllum, aurum metallicum, platina. Answer aurum triphyllum. Was first used as a tobacco antidote. Options tobacco, coca, both, none of these. Answer coca. Has cured umbilical hernia with obstinate constipation after nux vomica failed. Options aloes, coculus, aesculus, nitric acidum. Answer coculus. Often cures dropsy after epis and arsenicum fail. Options coculus, apocyanum, colchicum, artica urens. Answer colchicum. Has cured colic after colocynth and nux vomica had failed. Options coculus, colchicum, collinsonia, crotalus horridus. Answer collinsonia. Sometimes act best when given in hot water. Options magnesium carbonicum, magnesium muriaticum, magnesium phosphoricum, magnesium sulfuricum. Answer magnesium phosphoricum. ailments from sugar, insect stings, vapors of arsenic or copper, disease occurring in winter. Options: argentum nitricum, sulfur, mercurius, petroleum. Answer: mercurius. After aconite and arnica in hemorrhages. Options: trillium pendulum, millifolium, hemamelis, ledum. Answer: millifolium. Follows well after sepia in bearing down. Options: murex, natrum carb, natrum mure, platina. Answer: natrum carb. Should never be given during fever paroxysm. Options: natrum mure, epis, calcarea carb, sulfur. Answer: natrum mure. Morbid fear of cholera. Options: arsenicum album, nitric acidum, both, and none of these. Answer: both. Incompatible with causticum. Must not be used before or after. Options: cupramate, phosphorus, ignatia, platina. Answer: phosphorus. Best remedies with which to begin the treatment of a chronic case. Options: calcarea and medorinum, sulfur and sepia, pulsatilla and natramure, pulsatilla and sulfur. Answer: pulsatilla and sulfur. Incompatible with sulfur and staphysagria. Options: rustox, apis, ranunculus bulbosus, sepia. Answer: ranunculus bulbosus. Relieves ailments from abuse of arsenicum. Options: arsenicum album, sambucus, stricta, and allium cepa. Answer: sambucus. As a dynamic remedy for the narcosis of opium. Options: tobacco, sanguinaria, sanguinaria and opium, all of the above. Answer: sanguinaria. A single dose often acts curatively for many weeks. Options: sepia, calcarea carb, sulfur, natramure. Answer: sepia. Radiography string sign is a feature of option A: ulcerative colitis, option B: Crohn's disease, option C: diverticulosis, option D: acute intestinal obstruction. Answer: option B: Crohn's disease. Crohn's disease, also known as regional enteritis or ileitis. It is associated with HLA-B27. Disease starts at terminal ileum. Skip lesions present. Radiologically, cobblestone appearance and string sign present. Question number 2. Note belongs to Compositae family. Option A: Calendula. Option B: Aloes. Option C: Cinna. Option D: Arnica. Answer: option B: Aloes. Compositae family. It is the largest vegetable family. Abrotanum, Arnica, Bellis perennis, Calendula, Chamomilla, Cinna, Millifolium, Tarasacum. These medicines are under Compositae family. Aloes in Liliaceae family. Third question. The importance of massage has been mentioned in the Organon of Medicine, 6th edition. Option A, Aphorism 290. Option B, Aphorism 284. Option C, Aphorism 286. Option D, Aphorism 291. Correct answer is option A, Aphorism 290. Aphorism 290 in 6th edition, Massage. Aphorism 290 in 5th edition, Ingestion, Olfaction and Inhalation of Medicine. Question number 4. What does the word quanto meaning in repertorial language? Option A, seat of disease. Option B, time. Option C, cause. Option D, personality. Answer option B, time. Boni Hassan's concept of totality. Quis, personality. Quid, disease. Ubi, seat of the disease. Cubus auxilis, accompanying symptoms. Cur, cause of disease. Cumodo, modification, aggravation and amelioration. Quando means time. Fifth question. Smallest cranial nerve. Option A, trigeminal nerve. Option B, trochlear nerve. Option C, facial nerve. Option D, optic nerve. Answer option B, trochlear nerve. Trochlear nerve. It is a fourth cranial nerve, motor nerve. It supplies superior oblique muscle located on the superior orbital fissure. Question number 6. Sunlight is a source of option A, vitamin A, option B, vitamin B12, option C, vitamin D, option D, thiamine. Answer option C, vitamin D. RDA of vitamin D in children 400 international unit or 10 milligram. In adults 200 international unit or 5 milligram. Question number 7. Good cholesterol is option A, LDL, option B, HDL, option C, triglycerides, option D, all. Correct answer option B, HDL. Bad cholesterol is LDL and good cholesterol is HDL. Question number 8. Idiocy in children. Option A, sulfur. Option B, cinna. Option C, ethusa. Option D, chamomilla. Answer option C, ethusa. Question number 9. Constipation during pregnancy. Option A, alumina. Option B, silesia. Option C, sepia. Option D, platina. Answer, option A, alumina. Constipation from lead poisoning, opium. Constipation of infants during dentition, magnesium muriaticum. Question number 10. Fertilization most commonly occur at option A, isthmus, option B, ampulla, option C, interstitium, option D, uterine cavity. Answer, option B, ampulla. Question number 11. Corynebacterium diphtheriae is a option A, gram-positive cocci, option B, gram-positive bacilli, option C, gram-negative cocci, option D, gram-negative bacilli. Answer, option B, gram-positive bacilli. Corynebacterium diphtheriae, gram-positive bacilli, also known as Loeffler's bacillus. It is a non-acid fast and non-motile rods. Culture media is Loeffler's serum slop. Question number 12. Morula cell set has how many cells? Option A, 1 to 8 cells. Option B, 8 to 16 cells. Option C, 1 to 4 cells. And option D, 24 to 32 cells. Correct answer is option B, 8 to 16 cells. Question number 13. Gas gangrene is caused by option A, Treponema pallidum, option B, E. coli, option C, H. pylori, and option D, Clostridium perfringens. Answer, option D, Clostridium perfringens. Clostridium botulinum causes botulism. Clostridium perfringens causes food poisoning, cellulitis, and gas gangrene. Clostridium tetani causes tetanus. Question number 14. Icterus with pneumonia, especially of the right lung. Option A, Lycopodium. Option B, Medorinum. Option C, Antimonium tartaricum. And option D, Calcarea carp. Answer, option C, Antimonium tartaricum. Pneumonia. In right upper lobe, medicines are Calcarea carp and Arsenicum album. Pneumonia in right middle lobe, medicines are Medorinum, Sepia, Sanguinaria. Pneumonia in right lower lobe, medicines are Bryonia, Chelidonium, Calicarp, Lycopodium, and Merxol. In left upper lobe, sulfur, phosphorus, myristica, tuberculinum, and pteridion. Pneumonia in left lower lobe, carbovec, oxalic acidum, romex, natrum sulf, and syphilinum. Question number 15. Father of Indian homeopathy. Option A, Dr. M.N. Pillai. Option B, Babu Rajendralal Datta. Option C, John Martin Honenberger. and option D. Dunham. Answer option B. Babu Rajendralal Datta. First qualified physician in India, Dr. Mahendralal Sarkar. Question number 16. The Hidden Treasure of last edition of Organon is a work of option A. J.H. Clark, option B. Kent, option C. Perry Smith, and option D. Dunham. Answer option C. Perry Smith. Question number 17. Symptomatic treatment is option A. Antipathy, option B. Allopathy, option C. Isopathy, and option D. Homeopathy. Answer option A. Antipathy. Definition of antipathy explained in aphorism 23. Antipathy is also known as enantiopathy or palliative method. In this method, after transient and apparent alleviation, they break forth again with increased intensity and become manifestly aggravated. Question number 18. Fever after overexertion belongs to option A. Acute sporadic, option B. Acute individual, option C. Acute epidemic, and option D. Acute endemic. Answer option B. Acute individual. Classification of acute disease. In aphorism 73. Acute diseases are classified into individual disease, sporadic disease, and epidemic disease. Individual disease. It is a transient explosion of latent sora. Exciting cause is peculiar to that individual only. Second one, sporadic disease. At same time, meteoric or telluric influences or injurious agent. In epidemic disease from same cause. Question number 19. Disease per se means option A. Effect of disease, option B. Cause of disease, option C. Change in the state of health, and option D. All of the above. Answer option C. Change in the state of health. Question number 20. Headache better by nose bleeding under which miasm? Option A. Sora, option B. Psychosis, option C. Syphilis, option D. Tubercular. Answer option D. Tubercular. Headache. In Sora, headache better by rest and warmth. In psychosis, headache better by motion. In syphilis, headache aggravated by rust and cold. In tubercular miasm, headache better by nose bleeding. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel. Press bell icon to get continuous